Honda Civic. You see it before you even hear it. Sleek, confident, and unmistakably Honda. The Civic doesn't just sit in the street, it owns it. That front, sharp LED eyes that seem to read the road ahead before you even touch the ignition. The grille flows seamlessly, pulling you in, while every sculpted line along the hood catches the light like it was carved by speed itself. Follow those lines and you meet the profile. Low, athletic, the stance of something ready to move. The wheels? Precision-crafted alloys that spin with a confidence you can feel before you even drive. And that paint, it's more than color. It's liquid motion, layered to shimmer under sunlight and glow under the city's neon. You get to the rear, and the Civic doesn't just wave goodbye, it leaves an imprint. Aerodynamic curves, bold taillights, and a finish that says, "You'll remember this." Step inside, and the outside world fades. You're greeted by seats that hold you, not just in comfort, but in command. Premium materials under your fingertips, stitched with care. The dashboard stretches clean and uncluttered, yet every control falls exactly where your hand expects it. Your gaze locks to a driver's display that doesn't just inform, it connects you to the car's heartbeat. The infotainment screen springs to life. Quick, intuitive, and vivid, navigation, music, calls, all just a touch away. The climate control whispers adjustments like it knows exactly what you need. And there's this quiet confidence in the cabin. The soundproofing melts away the noise, leaving only the subtle hum of the engine and your own pulse. Push the pedal, and it responds instantly, not just with speed, but with precision. The steering feels alive, the suspension tuned to dance between comfort and performance. This isn't just a daily drive, it's a daily thrill. Every turn, every straightaway, every stoplight. The Civic makes it feel like a moment worth savoring. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A balance of beauty and power. A reminder that driving can still feel this good. The Honda Civic, every journey elevated.